Well, good morning, folks. I had some complaints about my last video, I guess you'd call it. I guess I discovered TikTok, and it was easy to add music, and I was playing around. But I know you guys would rather see an update on what's going on in here. The Studebaker is nearing the completion. Polyester's on it, been blocked to 220, most of the parts. I think I still have the box left to do, the hood and the fenders. Been doing some little odd projects here and there. The Studebaker itself, though, is in the paint booth. The motor's I should say. I've got it running. A little clip I'll show you later. Painted the firewall and whatnot ahead of time and taped that off. Yesterday I just shot the dash. And now I've got to tape off all the windows in the cab so I can paint all the jambs at the same time. So I'm going to paint the cab first, be done with that. And then just let it sit in here while I work on the rest of the stuff. And when I'm ready to paint the other parts, I will do the swap-a-roo. But for now, that's really all I've been doing. A couple square body fenders for someone. And yes, they're not shiny. This guy's got a really old truck and the paint's all faded on it, so I told him I would paint it with flat clear so that it would blend in with the rest of the truck and not stick out like a sore thumb, because he's not ready to paint the rest of the truck yet. I've got a couple Hellcat rims to be continued. A couple Mopars in here that really haven't moved much since the last couple videos, but there has been work done to them. This one is all finished welded underneath, all the floor pans, every little cross member is done. But that's about all I can brag about right now. We're going to do that, and I'll show you some completion when I'm done. We'll see ya. Got enough done to at least test fire it with a jumper wire. I'm not trusting any of that stuff inside.
Green Sally down, last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, Green Sally down.
My life be like, yeah, my life be like, yeah.
Okay, with a lot of help from a lot of different people, especially Right Dog Plastics, it's running again. That looks good.
At the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun. When you gonna wake up? When you gonna wake up and find? I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain. At the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun. When you gonna wake up?
Well, that's my day in a nutshell. This is what we ended up with. Some shiny green. I know if you saw this truck when it came in, it doesn't look much different going out. Wanted the same color. But I'll tell you, see that? That's the waterfall effect I'm going for right there. I guess they say if you aren't pounding it on, if you ain't getting runs, you ain't putting it on heavy enough. Something like that. She's on there heavy. Nothing I can't buff out. Gotta buff it anyways. I buff everything now because, you know, I don't like that peel, so I'll wet sand everything and knock it down flat. Count the runs, 1, 2, 3, and I think I got one on this door here somewhere too. Yeah, there it is. Anyways, don't panic. We won't worry about it. I think the roof's got no runs on it. Anyways, we're gonna shut her down for the day. I hope that's a little bit more what you guys were hoping for in a video. See ya.